This is such a very good news dahil meron ng online courses na ino-offer ang TESDA. Hindi na natin kailangan pumunta face-to-face sa mga accredited school para lang mag-take ng ating NC2 or NC3 unless ay magkakandak na tayo ng assessment. This time, punta lang tayo sa website ng TESDA para makita natin kung ano nga ba yung mga courses na ino-offer nila at ano nga ba yung pwede natin pag-enrollan. So, kung mag-enroll kayo, it depends upon your needs, interest, and your passion. Kindly search or type down TESDA online courses. At itong unang lumabas na TESDA online program, ito po yung i-click natin. Meron tayo ditong create an account, courses, how to, and frequently asked questions. Before we proceed to the creation of an account, let's click the courses first so that meron tayong idea if what are the courses na kanilang ino-offer. So we have here the 21st century skills. Dito meron communication, environmental literacy, digital literacy, and language literacy. Sa agriculture naman, ay meron silang Agro-Entrep NC2, Aquaponic Food Production, Organic Agricultural Crops, and Fruit Growing. Sa automotive and land transport naman ay meron silang ino-offer na Automotive Servicing Engine Repair NC2. Next is construction. Meron silang plumbing NC2, photovoltaic system installation NC2, and technical drafting NC2. Let's proceed to the next one, which is the electrical and electronics. So meron silang dito ang computer system servicing NC2, electrical installation and maintenance NC2, renewable and alternative energy. Okay, and the next one is meron silang entrepreneurship. So meron silang what's this? iStar program, OFW Rise and Start and Improve Your Business. So if you want to know anything about it, guys, for further information, click nyo na lang, guys, yan ng mga terms na yan, highlighted terms, okay? Next is we have gender and development. So meron sila ditong working in a gender diverse environment, conducting gender analysis, mainstreaming, and planning and budgeting. Next is meron tayong halal awareness program. So meron silang developing awareness and halal principles and practices. Next one is the heating, ventilating, air conditioning, and refrigeration technology. So meron silang refrigeration and air conditioning servicing or DOMRAC, and commercial air conditioning installation and servicing NC3. Okay, next one is human health and or healthcare. So merong barangay health services NC2, massage therapy, caregiving, contact tracing NC2, barangay infectious disease management services level 2, and practicing COVID-19 preventive measures in the workplace. Sa mga mahilig naman sa technology, we have information and communication technology. So we have here the visual graphic designs NC3, smart ICT courses, and content creation, social media. So gusto ko din to i-try in the future pag natapos ko na yung sa language literacy. Okay, and what else? Lifelong learning skills. So merong personal financial management courses, Skills to Succeed Academy, and financial literacy. And we also have here the maritime. So ships catering sa mga gustong sumakay sa barko and maging cook doon. So pwede yun sa inyo. And sa mga gustong mag-business, we have here the process, food, and beverages. Okay? And next is we have the social community development and others. Okay? Meron tayo ditong beauty care, domestic worker NC2, and bookkeeping NC3. We also have the tourism. Okay, so meron tayo ditong bread and pastry production, NC2, cookery, food and beverages, front office services, and housekeeping. And we also have TVET. Sa mga gustong magturo sa TESDA, you can take Trainers Methodology 1 and 2. Next is we have TESDA Capability Building Programs for TESDA employees. Ayan, so ito yung mga iti-take ninyo. But this is preferably lang dun sa mga TESDA employees, I guess. Second to the last is the top courses with accessibility features. We have bread and pastry production and food processing. And the last one is the International Labor Organization. Okay, so we have job readiness courses and STEM and TVET workshop. Since we already had an idea about the online courses offered by TESDA, let's move on and choose the course we want to enroll in. So I will pick the 21st century because I want to enroll in language literacy. Dito ay marami ka ring pagpipilian. Okay, so for example, I want to enroll in using educational technology in English language classroom. But before we proceed to the enrollment, make sure na nakapag-create na tayo ng account. This time, i-back lang natin and click home. Okay, so dito ay click na natin yung create an account. At dito, basahin nyo na lang po ang mga information like information we collect, purpose data collection, how we use your information, data security, the closure of your data, your rights, contact information, changes to this privacy notice, and complaints. And after that, once na nabasa nyo na, click I agree to the TESDA online program privacy notice. Okay, click lang natin ito. Here, you need to fill out the needed information like your username, kailangan nyo mag-create, password, at some more details, kailangan nyo ng email address, okay? And then, kailangan nyo din maglagay ng inyong first name, middle name, and then the surname. Kailangan nyo ilagay ang inyong barangay, number, building, street, district, city or municipality, province, region, contact number, sex, civil status, and yung birthday ninyo, and kung meron ba kayong disability. So, ayan. Yan guys, madali lang naman siyang i-fill out since mga basic information lang naman ang kailangan ninyo. After that, click update profile. At kapag na-update profile nyo na, punta kayo doon sa active na email address ninyo na nilagay nyo dito sa pag-fill out ng form at meron kayong confirmation email na matatanggap at pindutin nyo lang yung link na nakalagay doon. Okay, example, punta lang tayo sa ating email. Click nyo lang itong provided link dito sa baba. At kung makikita nyo dito ay may nakalagay na registration has already been confirmed. So, click nyo lang yung courses and then pwede na kayong mag-login. Just type down your username and then your password. Then, yan, click login. At hanapin nyo lang yung courses dito sa upper part. Ayan, click nyo lang yung course na gusto nyo pag-enrollan. Sa akin, I will try to choose this language literacy. Okay. Using educational technology in English language classroom. Okay, so as you can see here guys na may nakalagay na sa akin na your progress kasi nakapag-start na ako magbasa-basa and mag-take ng mga pre-test and quizzes. Kasi dito, kung makikita nyo, may mga lessons siya na dapat nating i-take at pagkatapos niyan, meron ding mga quizzes. So, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo ang example ng quiz na dapat nating ipasa. Ang kagandahan din naman kasi syempre yung mga quizzes is depends upon doon sa lessons na natapos na natin. And one most good thing about this kasi unlimited yung pag-take ng quizzes. Okay, so it's up to you kung ano yung ikikip natin na rating. Okay? So, for example, dito, since nandito na ako sa Module 2, okay. Tingnan lang natin hanggang sa baba. Ayan. Dito na ako sa, ayan, Module 2, Introduction to Reading and Technology. Okay, so kung makita nyo dito, sabi dito ay, this quiz will test your understanding of the concepts introduced in the Introduction to Reading and Technology lecture. You will have unlimited attempts to take this quiz. Only your highest score will be kept. So, di ba, ang ganda kasi kahit na hindi ka makapasa sa ilang attempts mo, okay lang yun kasi unlimited. So, here's the example of the quiz. Okay, hindi na natin siya isa-isahin kasi may encounter nyo naman yung mga questions once na nakapag-enroll na kayo. So, ayun siya guys. That's all po muna sa video natin ngayon or tutorial natin ngayon. At kapag may bago akong update, don't worry because I will keep you posted. And guys, sana ay meron kayong natutunan and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button para lagi kayong updated sa mga post ko and your comments would be appreciated. See you in my next video. Bye!